What's up, you guys? It's Jake from Prism Supply, and today we have some very exciting news. We are finally releasing our hardtail kit for Sportsters years 1982 to 2003. These are now currently available and on our website. Gonna kind of walk you through these start to finish, kind of why we did certain things with the design and what makes them different from others on the market. So to start, the first thing you'll notice is the looped rear end. And that is that's styled off of a motorshop frame from the 60s and 70s. Those are only available for big twin Harley Davidsons. So we had never seen that for Sportsters, so we thought that was a cool thing and a neat thing to incorporate into our kit. The other thing you'll notice is the diameter of the tubing is 1 inch, where all the other ones on the market, or I think all of the other ones on the market, are 1.25 inches or even larger. And if you look down here at this bung, it looks like this when it's not welded in. It actually adapts from 1.25 inches to 1 inch tubing, and so that's kind of how it'll transition from your Sportster frame into our hardtail frame. The hole that's drilled all the way through the slugs, so these two on the bottom rails as well as this one on the top, and so that allows you to run any electrical wires you might need through either these bottom tubes or this top one. When you get this kit from us, it'll come with all the necessary installation instructions. It'll come with all slugs, bungs, anything that you'll need to install this. Another thing you'll notice is on the back of the frames here, you'll have a Prism serial number, and we're gonna number each one of these frames. So this one is number 8. Something that's different than the other frames on the market or the other Sportster hardtail frames on the market is ours are 100% TIG welded. So it makes for a much cleaner, smaller weld than your typical MIG weld might be. In the next month or so, we'll be releasing a horseshoe oil tank, as well as an axle kit, as well as a brake kit. So the horseshoe oil tank will just follow the shape of the frame, and it'll fit directly in here. It'll come with all the mounting hardware you need. The axle kit will allow you to use your stock wheel. It comes with an axle with spacers and everything you need to get your rear wheel installed. On the first kits we made, we didn't have this bend right here. So if you see there's a slight 5-degree bend. Basically they came straight all the way to this point and then they bent in here. So we kind of went through a little bit of a revision to add this little bend. We thought it kind of gave it the back end of the frame a little bit narrower of a look. So this piece right here will actually come out. It just has a couple tack welds on the bottom. So after you get it installed in your frame, you just cut that bar out. And the reason we do that is to keep it from being bent and chipping, and also to allow for easier install. These are now currently available. We have 8 ready to ship. We're not sure how long these will last, so if you're somewhat interested in getting one, we suggest getting them now, and we'll make more as soon as possible. These are gonna retail for $6.99. We are super proud of these. These are 100% made here in Charlotte, North Carolina, with 95% of that being made here in shop. We're very happy with the overall style and the proportions of them, and we hope you guys like it too. So if you have any more questions on this, we probably have the answer on our website, but if not, you can always email us at orders@prismsupply.com.
Like, comment, subscribe.
Like, comment, subscribe.
There you go.